I'm Mike Hershey, the dairy manager here at Kreider Farms. We're milking 2,000 cows. So we have 54 stall rotary carousel. So the cows enter the holding area onto our new Animat mats. We had Animat mats in previously, which were 16 years old. It's time to replace with the new and approved version. We had rubber in there was to cushion the legs and feet, prevent slips and falls. The cows are more comfortable. The more comfortable our cows are, the more production we see. So it's a win-win all the way around. Yeah, so we milk 3 times a day. After each milking, we flush the holding area. Now, the way they installed them with the gaps in between them allows the water to drain. Before they were butted up. So if you got a loose spot, you would get water going underneath the mat to kind of bubble them. But this installation is working out better than the old way. The pebble top, as compared to the MaxGrip, this is definitely a little grippier. The MaxGrip, a lot of times you'll see them come charging in, they're on the run. They're ready to go. Our old mats were probably on a more firm, a little bit harder material. The new MaxGrip mat has a very good grip for their hooves to push down into and catch footing and everything, so it's working out really well. They've been here about 2 months now. The previous mats, like I said, they were 16, 17 years old. Yeah, so we got our money's worth out of it.